Greetings to you from Vasava Group. We take this opportunity to welcome you to this customer awareness on true costing on mechanical erection. Module 4. Most often, a customer floats inquiry for mechanical erection work by providing the overall weight of the machineries and structures. At times, drawings are also not provided along with the overall weight list. Customer expects that a contractor should quote the price of the work in rupees per metric ton, as per their experience for other work. However, it is not true methodology. Expenses incurred for mechanical work is not linearly proportional to the weight. Expenses can only be estimated correctly only when drawings and other relevant information are provided in the tender stage. Let's discuss with an example. In a cement plant, there was a requirement of modification work for tertiary air duct. Please see the figure. The elevation of work ranges from 15.8 meters to 21.3 meter level, as was given in the drawing during the tender stage. The length of the existing ducting was approximately 18.8 meter long. The crane was in customer scope, and the customer has promised that they will provide a crane of 100 metric ton capacity, tire-mounted and telescopic boom crane. Based on this information, contractor has estimated that the existing duct can be dismantled in two parts by cutting at 3 points as shown in the figure, each having length approximately 9.4 meter. Therefore, the scaffolding work was estimated to be done at 3 locations, and number of lifts was calculated as 2. The weight of existing duct, which was to be dismantled, was declared as 22.6 metric ton. Contractor had quoted the price as per lump sum basis, rupees 11.3 lakh. However, customer insisted to fix the price as per weight basis. Contractor agreed to this, but mentioned that the pricing methodology is based on the customer's input drawings and assessment of rigging plan. So the price was fixed as rupees 50,000 per metric ton. However, during actual course of work, customer advised to dismantle 2.5 meter more than the length declared earlier. Of course, this was required because the duct was found worn out during inspection. Now the elevation of work increased from 21.3 meter to 22.7 meter. While working out the capacity of crane, it was found that the duct can't be dismantled in two parts. If we increase the length of a single piece more than 10.0 meter, the weight of single piece exceeds 12 metric ton. That is beyond the capacity of crane. That is why there is a change in rigging plan. Now the duct was to be dismantled in 3 parts. Consequently, the requirement of making scaffoldings and cutting increased to 4 in place of 3. Now look at the changes carefully. The scaffolding work and cutting work and the welding work increases 33% approximately because of the 4 joints in place of 3 joints. What about the weight increase? It is now 25.6 metric ton in place of 22.6 metric ton. That means there is an increase in 11.3% in weight. If the work is fixed per metric ton basis, then the customer would give additional money to the tune of 11.3% only, whereas it should have been 33% logically. That is why the expenses are not directly proportional to the weight. Let us take another example. A customer floated inquiry for the replacement of 8 cooler fans. Contractor estimated the installation of 5 fans, calculating engagement of 8 gangs including a millwright fitter in each gang for alignment. The contractor estimated the price for each fan as rupees 40,000 and thus for 8 fans rupees 3 lakh and 20,000. Now the customer wants that the price should be quoted per metric ton basis. Suppose the weight of the fans ranges from 1 metric ton to 1.3 metric ton and the customer declared the weight of all 8 fans to be 10 metric ton, then the price is fixed as Rs 32,000 per metric ton. Now during detailed engineering, the capacity of fan increased and consequently the weight also increased to 10.8 metric ton. Should the contractor ask additional price for the extra weight of 800 kg? That is Rs 25,600. Absolutely not. That is not logical. The activities remain same in spite of increase in overall weight of the 8 fans. There are still 8 gangs to be engaged for the same time period. Weight is not the criteria for price. The price governing factors are as follows. Whether the couplings and bearings are fitted in the fan or to be fitted at the site. Whether the impeller is sent in assembled condition or sent loose. Whether the fan and motor is already fixed in the fan pedestal or sent loose. If any of the above criteria are noticed, then the price will increase although there might be reduction in weight than estimated weight. See, the casings and impeller are supplied in loose condition. See, the couplings and motor has already been fitted. See, this is one of the example where the complete fan is supplied in assembled condition. All these factors actually matters for quoting the price of the installation of fan and not the weight. Vasava Group has pioneered and excelled in systematic study and true costing of work assessment. Vasava Group ensures to quote right price for right work to their esteemed customer. Thank you.